So now, after you record your video, a new window is going to open up because Hippo Video saves all of the videos onto their website. So once you have an account, they're automatically saved there. So this is going to pop up. This is the video I just recorded. If I'm not happy with it and I don't like it and I want to do it over, I can just delete it right here. But if it is good and I want to delete it, you'll notice it just names everything new recording. So over here under the title, I have to name this. I want to be as descriptive as possible. So I'm going to call it using Hippo Video number or just one, okay? Because I've made the second video, so we need to know that there's two of them and the distinction between the two. Once you do that, you hit enter, okay? And kind of click off to make sure that it's saving. And now this is where your video is saved. If you go into Hippo Video and you look at all your videos, so I'm going to click on the icon, and it's going to bring me to my dashboard where I have all the videos I've ever recorded. You should only have this one video that you just recorded. Okay, I have different folders and different things, so I'm going to click on View All so I can get to that video I just did. Okay, and it is using Hippo Video. Okay, so what I would do is to get the link to share this with people is when you hover over, you'll see these three dots. You click on More, and you copy the URL. Okay, and it'll tell you that it's copied to your clipboard. Now you can bring it wherever you need to paste. So if you go into Google Classroom under the assignment, right, and you click View Assignment, and then you add your link. And that's how you do a screencast.